Gears are core components in mechanical transmission systems used to transmit power, change speed, alter torque, or adjust the direction of motion. Common types of gears include spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, worm gears, rack-and-pinion gears, internal gears, and spline gears. Different types of gears are suitable for different transmission structures, load requirements, and space configurations. In CNC machining, we can produce high-precision gear parts such as steel gear blanks, aluminum alloy gear discs, copper alloy worm wheels, gear shafts, and synchronizing wheels. For high-precision gears, gear tooth accuracy, concentricity, and phase run-out and surface roughness are critical, as these factors can directly affect transmission efficiency, noise, and service life. If standard gears are required, they can be purchased directly. However, for special gear rhombus, non-standard models, and custom shaft connections, CNC machining offers high flexibility, ideal for rapid prototyping, small batch production, and custom parts.